Hi, today we are going to talk about adding mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Example 1, 1, 2 over 3 add 2, 2 over 5. So I'm going to use writing separately method for this one because as you know a mixed number is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write whole numbers separately and proper fractions separately. So I write whole numbers separately, that is 1 and 2, then proper fractions 2 over 3 and 2 over 5. Then 1 and 2, that is 3, and now I have two fractions with unlike denominators. So when you have unlike denominators, what you have to do, we have to make them equal. So how do you make them equal? That is LCM. Okay, I write 3 and 5 and I find LCM. As you know, 3 is there, so divide by 3. 1, 3 divided by 3, 1. 5 can't, continue. Then 5 is there, 1 continue. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Then LCM equals 3 times 5, that is 15. So you have to change these denominators to 15. 3 times 5, 15. Then 2 also multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 3. Then 2 also multiplied by 3. Then you get 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 2 times 3, 6. Then 3 and now common denominator is 15. So numerators you can net 10 and 6. 3 and 16 over 15. Now again this becomes improper. So 16 over 15 means you can write this one again 3 and this you can write as a mixed number. How many 15s are there for 16? That is 1 and 15. 15 times 1, 15. Then 1 remains. Then you can add these whole numbers, that is 3 add 1, that is 4. 1 over 15 is the final answer. Okay, next example 3, 2 over 5 and 2, 7 over 12. For this one I'm going to use improper fraction method. So first of all I have to turn these two mixed numbers to improper fractions. So denominator doesn't change, 5. Then numerator, how do you take the numerator? You have to multiply and add. So 5 times 3, 15, add 2, that is 17. Then here denominator doesn't change, 12. Then numerator 12 times 2, add 7. 12 times 2, 24, add 7, 31. Then you can see unlike denominators. Unlike denominators, we need to find LCM. 5, 12. 5 is there, I divide by 5. 1, 12 can't, continue. Then I divide by 2, 1 continue, 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 6 is there, divide by 2 again, 1 continue, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Then 3 is there, I divide by 3, so 1 continue. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Then LCM equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, that is 60. So I have to change these denominators to 60. How? 5 multiplied by 12. Then 17 also multiplied by 12. 12 multiplied by 5. Then 31 also multiplied by 5. Okay. Now I have denominators, that is 12 times 5, 60. Then 12 times 17, 12 times 7, 84, 4, 8 remaining. 12 times 1, 12, add 8, that is 20. Add 12 times 5, 60. 31 times 5, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 3, 15. Then common denominator 60. Then numerators you can add. 5 add 4, that is 9. 5 add 0, that is 5. 1 add 2, that is 3. Then it is improper. For the final answer, you have to write that one as a mixed number. So how many 60s are there for 359? So you can see that 60 times 5, 300. 60 times 6, 360. So this is less than that now. So we take 5. So it is 5, 60. 60 times 5, 300. And the remaining is 59. Next example. That is 1, 5 over 12 and 3, 11 over 20 and 9 over 24. You can see here denominators are larger. So when denominators are larger, it's better we use writing separately method, simple method, because when you take improper fraction method, it's gonna be larger numerators, so it's difficult to simplify them. So it's better the simple method, writing separately. So I can see whole numbers there, so I write whole numbers separately and proper fractions separately. 1, 3, then proper fractions 5 over 12, 11 over 20, 9 over 24. Then 1 add 3, that is 4. Add, then you can see here unlike denominators. When you have unlike denominators, we need to find LCM. 12, 20, 24. Divide by 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 20 divided by 2, that is 10. 24 divided by 2, that is 12. Again divide by 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Then you can see 3 here, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. 5 can't. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Again I have 2 here. 1 continue. 5 can't. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Then 5 is there. Divide by 5. 1. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. 1 continue. Then LCM 2 times 2 times 2, 3, 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 times 5, 120. So you have to change all these denominators to 120. So first denominator 12. 12 times 10. Then 20 times 6. 24 times 5. How do you take 24 times 5? You can see here 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 times 5. 24 times 5. Then it's also multiplied by 5. Okay. Now I write 120 is the denominator. 5 times 10, 50. 20 times 6, 120. 11 times 6, that is 66. And 24 times 5, 120. 9 times 5, 45. 4 is there. Continue. And common denominator 120. Then we have to add 50, 66 and 45. 5 add 6, that is 11. 1 and 1 remaining. 4 add 6, that is 10. 10 add 5, 15 with remaining 1, that is 16. Okay, now again you can see here improper. Then we have to turn this one into mixed number to get the final answer. So I write 4 add. How do you turn this one into mix? So you can see how many 120s are there for 161. That is 1, 120, and the remaining 41. Then you add 4 and 1, that is 5. 41 over 120. That's the final answer. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.